Hi guys, Lauren from My Sweet Family. Thanks for joining us today. Today the kids and I are going to make some crazy pizza. So the way it's going to work is each food item to go on the pizza is numbered, and the kids have to choose the number out of a bowl, and whatever they get, they have to put it on their pizza. It could be something delicious or it could be something that they don't like. So let's see how they go. All the ingredients that we are going to be using to make our pizza today. Some are delicious and sweet, some not so sweet. So the kids are gonna have a lot of fun today. Are you guys ready to make crazy pizza?
Yeah!
Let's do it. What we need to do is decide what is gonna be on the base of our pizza. Is it going to be pizza sauce or is it gonna be whipped cream? All right. Krishika, you're the first one to choose. Choose a number. Take one piece of paper out. Open it up, just one piece, yeah? Open it up and tell me what is the number?
2.
Number 2. So, Krishika, you get cream for your pizza. Yay! Let's pop some cream on. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Good job shaking. All right, take the lid off and pour. Press the button. Arjun can help you. He's a pro at using cream. Squeeze it. Woo! Look at that delicious cream. Whoa! Mix it all around. Cover your pizza. Is it too delicious? Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, who's next? And your turn. Choose a number. What number do you have?
1.
1. That means you get pizza sauce. Here you go. Good job. Good job, Mr. Pizza Maker. Very, very good. All right, let's move on to Krishani. Ready? All right, Kushi, your turn. Choose one number. What number do you have? What is it? 1!
Yes.
She gets pizza sauce too! Yummy, yummy! Good girl. Spread it on nicely. You're the only one who got cream so far. Yeah, so lucky. Good job, Kushi. That looks amazing. All done?
Yep.
Let's move on to the ingredients.
Yay.
Get started on the ingredients, guys. We've got all these delicious foods here waiting for us. So, Krishika, take the first number for your ingredients, please. What number do you have? Number 8. Okay, let's see here. Where is number 8? Candy canes. You get to choose candy canes.
Oh gosh, Krishika's so lucky.
Whoa, she's got a very cool pizza so far.
I got a big one.
Yummy, yummy. Yeah. Like a pretty amazing pizza so far. Happy with that? You're very lucky. Okay, Arjun, you're next.
This one.
Okay, what number do you have?
9.
Number 9 is, ooh, musk lollies. There you go.
Mom.
Oh my goodness. You're going to take just one?
Yeah.
Look at that tomato sauce and musk lolly. No, you've got this delicious pizza happening. It's Kushi's turn now. Kushi, choose a number. What is your number?
7.
Number 7. Where is number 7 hiding? Let's have a look. I found it. Krishani, look what you have. Delicious party candies. Are you going to put any more on there?
Yep.
Wow, decorate that beautifully. Let's see what number you choose next, Krishika. Yeah. Good job. Ready for your next one?
Yeah.
Let's do it, Krishika. What number is that? 13?
13.
Oh, okay. Let's have a look for 13. 13. Oh, I found 13. Look at that. You're getting all the delicious ones for your
I'm
pizza.
gonna eat this one.
Is that right? Oh my gosh. It's gone. It's gone already. Okay. Good job. Well done. Do you want any more for your pizza? Yeah?
Mom.
That looks lovely.
I want to
I'm sure we're gonna have a big munch fest after this, aren't we? Okay, who's next? Arjun. Let's see what Arjun gets.
11.
11? Where is 11? Is this 11? No, that's 14. Oh, Arjun. Oh, Arjun got olives. Yes, Arjun. Not a fan of olives?
No.
Kind of looking like a bit of a crazy face here. We've got a nose and a mouth. Similarity? Same. Good job. All right, next one, Krishani.
5.
What number do you have? 5. Oh, Kushi. Your favorite. Look at that. Oh, big soft mellows. Nom, 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 yummy, yummy. And that is looking beautiful. Let's see what number you get next, Krishika. Krishika, let's do the next one. Choose the number. No peeking. You got a piece, good girl. Arjun can help you read the number. Let's see, number 10. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, you have to pop it on your pizza. Are you going to take another one? A strawberry one? I think everyone's going to be eating your pizza, buddy. And another one. Oh my gosh. Pretty amazing so far. Oh, Arjun. Let's hope Arjun gets some nice ones. Kushi, that's looking pretty amazing too. All right, Arjun, you're next. Fingers crossed for you, buddy.
2.
Number 2. Oh, where is number 2? Oh, Arjun, you got ham. Just one, you're not a fan of meat, are you, darling? Okay, no problem. Good job. So there we go. One little piece of ham. Oh my goodness. All right, Krishani, you're next. Go, Krishani. Let's see.
9.
What? Number 9. Okay. Number 9. Or is it number 6? I think actually you have number 6, which is rainbow stripes. Wow. That looks very pretty. Look at that. How do you feel about that?
Good.
Good? Wow, so yummy. All right, we're back to Krishika. Your turn. Let's see what Krishika gets now. It's a mystery. What could it be? Number 1. Number 1 is cheese. Yummy, yummy mozzarella cheese. Look at that. Oh,
Yummy
so much
cheese.
deliciousness. You do love cheese, don't you? Arjun, this could be a turn. You could be the next one to get something sweet. Let's stay hopeful. That's looking pretty good, Krishika. Well done. All right, Arjun, are you ready? Fingers crossed. Let's hope Arjun gets something a bit more yummy on his pizza.
15.
15! You got some crisps. That's a good start. Yummy, yummy. Barbecue crisps. So good. That's looking good. All right, are you ready, Krishani? Here we go.
She's making a face.
Oh, it looks good, doesn't it? What number did you get? Number 12. Where is number 12? I don't see. Oh, I see it. Some little love hearts, Kushi. They're so sweet. It's crazy, isn't it, Arjun? Sometimes you can get really good things that you love, and sometimes you get the things that you don't love so much. Yeah, I think you will get a turn next. Are you ready? Okay, choose your number. Yeah, it's your last paper. What number did you get?
4.
Number 4. Number 4 is... Oh, mushrooms. It's mushrooms. Do you like mushrooms?
No.
Oh.
I thought the movie says I can put it in the bed.
After the movie finished, you can put it in the bin, yes. So you take one piece. You can take one mushroom. Good girl. Do you want to try it?
No.
Not even a little bit? No. Okay, good
I
job.
think I will burn.
Oh, okay. We can put it in the bin in a minute. Arjun, your last ticket.
I think I will burn.
You really don't like it
14.
at all. 14. All right, let's have a look. Arjun's 14. Oh, Arjun, you got strawberry yogurt drops. They're actually really tasty. Very nutritious and delicious.
They look like Mentos. Can I eat this one?
You can have a little try. They're quite tasty.
Can I take one?
Yeah, sure, try. They're quite nice, aren't they? Don't know about mixing it with olives and tomato sauce though, but we'll give it a go. All right, Krishani, your last piece, your last number. What is it going to be, guys? Let's have a look.
3.
Number 3. Oh, look at these delicious strawberry wafer biscuits for you, Kushi. Wow, oh, very nice fancy decorations we have here too. That is an absolute masterpiece. Well done. All right, guys, well, that is it. That's every ingredient on all the pizzas that you've made. Are you happy with your pizza? Look at that. Are you happy? Yes or no?
I put the mushroom.
You put the mushroom away. I know you don't like mushrooms. That is amazing. Good job, Krishika. Arjun, how did you go?
Not good.
Not good. Oh dear. He didn't get so many nice ingredients, but you did a great job. Thank you for trying. And Krishani, look at this spectacular pizza. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Are you totally gonna eat this right now?
I want to eat it all.
All of it? Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, guys. Let's have a little bit of fun eating our pizza. And a little cherry